Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ragean's Intuitive Tarot. This reading is for Pisces. Welcome, Pisces. Anything you need to know about my channel is listed in the description box below. I started off the week with fairy oracle readings, but the wild unknown animal spirit jumped in. So we are going to just continue along with their messages. Okay, we're going to take those. Ooh, and at the bottom of the deck, which is the overall energy, you have the golden egg. The golden egg is talking to us about a message at the center of a situation. It's like a sound that you can hear far away, but you can't quite pinpoint it. It's like a sound that is deep inside of you that you can't quite hear yet. It's a sound that can only be heard when you retreat from the noise of everyday life, when you're not rushing, pushing, or grasping, when you find a place of deep and restful ease. This message you can only hear when you're grounded, centered, through yoga or meditation. This is asking you to take the time for introspection, for contemplation. When the mind begins to settle and the breath is calm and relaxed, and when you're open to any response that you hear, that's when you're going to hear and understand the message being sent. But until you get clear and quiet and grounded, you're not going to be able to hear the message that is trying to be delivered to you. You have bear energy here. And you know, again, bears go into a hibernation. This is about retreating, getting away from the noise in your head, the noise around you, the noise in your environment. So maybe you need a vacation. Maybe you need to go camping and be in nature. Sit by a river. Go hug a tree, walk around with your feet in the soil. You need some sort of a timeout, Pisces, in order to receive the messages that Spirit is trying to give you. And these messages are there to transform your life. These messages are there to clear away the ugliness and bring out the beauty, to show you the beauty that is in the world, to show you that, you know, not all is lost, that no matter how bad things may seem, there is always a silver lining. There's always some sort of a prize or a gift at the end. You know, oysters go through a long time of being uncomfortable. They don't like that sand in their mouth or in their shell. It's gritty, it's grinding, it's annoying. It's hard work tolerating the process of creating this beautiful pearl. And it's kind of crappy because they go through all of this turmoil for somebody else to reap the rewards. So where are you allowing other people to sabotage you, Pisces? Where are you giving away your rewards to other people? You know, we get caught up in this daily push and grind in life. We're always looking for movement, 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 swimming, going farther, doing more, 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 more. And sometimes we can get lost and forget to what is really important to us, what really matters. And Spirit is trying to give you a message to help you gain clarity on this exact situation. You have whale energy. Whale is like a swimming library. So it's like there is a vast wealth of knowledge available to you. All of the answers could be given to you. Spirit has been trying to give it to you, but you're not listening, Pisces. So you need to take some time to clear the chatter in your mind. Because there is some old ancient wisdom that is trying to work its way to you. You may be receiving downloads. This clarity may already be on its way to you. Well, it is right here. They're trying to send it to you. They're trying to enlighten you. They're trying to give you the answers. But for some reason, Pisces, you're not paying attention, or you can't hear. It's because there's too much clutter in your mind. So you need to take a time out. You need to go camping. You need to go on a holiday. You need to go into nature if you can, and reconnect with the earth, reconnect with your guides, reconnect with Source. Clear the chatter in your mind. And as soon as you do that, the energy will be transformed and the pathway will become crystal clear to you. You'll know exactly what you need to do, how you need to do it. And you're going to get some sort of a gift that is going to help you, that is going to help propel you in the right direction. So take some time. Take some time, Pisces. Do some yoga, do some meditation. I know there's a lot of talk about people with bipolar disorders that are afraid to be in their own head. So if meditation doesn't work for you, there are lots of other things you can do. There's tapping techniques. There's many different energy modalities for healing. There's breath work. You know, just again, there's music can be very healing. There's lots of ways to get grounded, get centered, and clear your mind. So I hope that helps you on your journey, Pisces. Of course, if you would like a personal reading, or if you would like to know of any of the things that you can do to get grounded and centered, go ahead and check out the description box. All of my information is there. Once again, I thank you for your presence. I hope this helps you on your journey. Don't be afraid. Don't worry, Pisces. Things for all of us, there's a lot of good coming. We just have to believe and have faith and keep going. So take care, and I will catch you next time.